Good news for SASSA beneficiaries. If you were worried about your gold card expiring, don't panic just yet. SASSA Gold cards will now remain valid until 31st May 2025. This urgent extension comes after delays in rolling out the new Postbank Black cards. In a crunch meeting between Postbank, the South African Reserve Bank, and SASSA, officials agreed to push the original deadline, 20th March 2025, to end of May. But this is your final chance. All beneficiaries still using the gold card are strongly urged to visit the nearest post office or designated venue to replace it as soon as possible. Payment dates for the month of April 2025 continues. So continue watching. Officials have made it clear no more extensions will be granted after May 2025, so act now. Don't wait for your card to stop working. For updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Money Made Simple. We've got you covered. Hello SASSA grants recipients, welcome to Money Made Simple. This is just to remind you that the payment dates for the month of April 2025 has been officially announced by SASSA and confirmed. So get ready to have your bank accounts ready and those who are still using the gold card to get the black card. But the good news is that SASSA, together with Postbank in conjunction with SARB, has extended the usage of the gold card to cover the month of April and May 2025. Now let's go to the pay dates and new stuff regarding the SASSA grants going forward. Remember, this is an update. SASSA payment dates for April 2025, urgent update. SASSA beneficiary, you can still replace your card after today, but until you do, you won't have access to your funds at ATMs or retail stores. To replace your card, visit any of the designated locations published by Postbank. If you're unsure where to go, call Postbank at 0800 53 54 55 for assistance. Now let's talk about April 2025 payment dates and how you can access your money. SASSA payment dates for April 2025. Here are the official grant payment dates for April 2025. Older persons. Grant, Wednesday, 2nd April 2025. Disability grant, Thursday, 3rd April 2025. Child support and other grants, Friday, 4th April 2025. These payments will not be made to your old SASSA Gold card. Instead, they will go to your new Postbank Black card. If you haven't replaced your card yet, you'll need to go to the post office in April to collect your grant in person. Where can you withdraw your grant? If you have the new Postbank Black card, you can withdraw your grant from ATMs, withdraw from any ATM that accepts Postbank Black cards, retail stores, cash out at major supermarkets like ShopRite, Pick n Pay, Boxer and Spar, bank transfers, transfer your grant to your personal bank account if needed. If you still have the old gold card, your only option is to visit the post office for your payment. Need help with card replacement? If you haven't replaced your SASSA Gold card yet, you can still do so at designated Postbank locations. To find the nearest replacement site, check the official Postbank announcements or call Postbank at 0800 53 54 55. For general grant inquiries, contact SASSA hotline 0800 60 10 11 Postbank Assistance 0800 53 54 55. These numbers are toll free so you can get help at no cost. Final reminder, take action now. Today, March 20th, 2025 is the last day your SASSA Gold card will work. After today, you will not be able to use it for withdrawals or purchases. April payments will only go to the new Postbank Black card. If you don't replace your card, you must collect your grant from the post office. Act now to avoid unnecessary stress. Visit the designated Postbank locations to replace your card and secure your future payments. Share this message with your friends and family so they don't get left behind. Your grant is your right and you deserve easy access to it. Stay informed, take action, and ensure you get paid on time. Subscribe for more updates. Stay safe and take care.